A very powerful and simple approach to selling involves engaging through intentional, step-by-step, customer-focused questions. Moreover, salespeople can't effectively force an answer on the prospect through a sales pitch, as prospects tired of traditional pitches automatically become defensive when listening to one. Instead, prospects must arrive at the conclusion that the solution makes sense on their own, using their logic and reasoning. Additionally, gathering information about your clients not only helps you build a good proposal and sales strategy, but this information is often needed by other departments. Therefore, keeping track of and effectively sharing this information with other departments is key. In this video, we will share 2 frameworks that you can use and adapt to define the types of questions you should be asking your clients and the type of information that should be shared with other departments. That being said, chat with other departments first to understand what type of knowledge will help them or what they want to gain access to. Some examples of proven successful questions to ask clients are, may I ask what kind of solution you are currently using, or what bothers you most about this problem? Returning to the frameworks, the first is the Client Discovery Questionnaire. It looks like this. And as mentioned, this is an example, so some questions should be updated based on your industry. The objective is to gather information during meetings with the client and make this available to your team by sharing it with them. A key thing here is that whenever you make progress, you can add conclusions and client requests to the conclusion section, which will be visible from your calendar and can even be sent to certain team members. Another approach is to convert some of these questions into a survey. Change the questions that should be invisible to the client to leader only and leave the others open. You invite the client like this, and they can add files, links, and information about their company, or even sign the contract and leave it here. The thing is, the internal work, communication, and information provided by the client all live in the same place, and you can customize this in whatever way you want. Additionally, the MEDDIC sales framework is a sales qualification process that helps find better quality prospects and sales leads. MEDDIC stands for Metrics, Economic Buyer, Decision Criteria, Decision Process, Identify Pain, and Champion. This methodology was created by Dick Dunkel. In this template, you can see some of the questions you can ask. It's a pretty good framework to start using. Also, if you are using Nova, you can edit all of this and do everything mentioned previously, like adding questions for clients, asking clients to add and sign the contract here, etc., while keeping all your notes and internal communication in one place. Both of these frameworks can be adapted and then saved as a tool that your team can reuse. Any of these templates will help you and your team ask better questions when you meet with clients and build better sales proposals.